Let's create loose waves with the Moyoko Pro Glider Styler. This set comes in a beautiful pink designer travel bag, and it consists of a V-shaped styling comb, croc hair clips, a heat-resistant mat, and the Pro Glider Styler. And the whole set is pink, which I absolutely love. I'm going to start with the Microkeratin Magic Mist Bonding Protector. It's a hyaluronic acid solution that protects from heat, tangles, and humidity. I'm going to divide my hair in different sections because it just makes the styling a bit easier. I'm using the strong croc hair clip to clip my sections away. The styler also has temperature control to monitor and maintain temperature. I'm prepping the hair with a styling comb to remove any tangles or frizz. I'm creating a wave by flipping over the styler once and gliding it down to the bottom. I'm just repeating it on all the sections, and I'm alternating my directions to create a less structured wave. The bottom sections are done, so now we can move to the top section. And once again, I'm going to prep the hair with the styling comb first. The Pro Glider Styler has extra wide ceramic plates for easy gliding and quick styling. It also seals in moisture and reduces heat damage. And now for my favorite and final step, the Microkeratin Smoothing Serum, which helps to repair split ends and doubles as a hair perfume. It smells absolutely amazing. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.